In this problem, it says Tan is designing a new menu for the restaurant where he works. Determine whether the following sizes for the menus are similar to the original menu. Here's our original menu, that's 10 by 12. If so, we want to write a similarity statement and the scale factor. And we want to explain our reasoning. So we're going to start here. I'm going to pick the smallest side of the original menu, that's 10. Let's have that correspond to the smallest side of my new menu, which is 12. I can reduce that to 5 to 6. Now let's take a look at another side. I'm going to pick AD, which is 12, and compare that to 14. So 12 to 14, and that reduces to 6 to 7. Notice these are not similar. They don't have the same ratio. In order to be similar, they have to have the same ratio. Let's compare it to example 5. I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to pick 10, which is my smallest side, corresponds to 8, which is the smallest side of that one. So I'm going to say 10 is to 8. I'll reduce that, and that's 5 to 4. Then we'll compare that to my other pair of sides. The other largest size would be 12 to 9.6. 12 to 9.6. Well, I think what you want to do is you want to get rid of the decimal. So we're going to multiply the numerator and denominator by 10, so you don't have a decimal. So that'll be 120 to 96. Well, then, if I take a look at that, what goes into both 120 and 96? Where's my calc? Here we go. So if I take 120 and I divide that by 5, I get 24. And look at that. 24 goes into the numerator and the denominator. 120 divided by 24 is 5. We just showed you that. Let's take 96 divided by 24. And that's 4. Notice my sides are in the same ratio. So then I can write my similarity statement. I'm going to say ABCD is similar to RSTU. Make sure they go on corresponding sides and parts. Now notice all my angles were congruent, so I just have to make sure the sides correspond.